When it comes to investing in precious metals, many people might think of gold or silver bars, but did you know that certain coins can also be highly valuable? One such coin is the Deutsche Mark coin. This small piece of currency, which was used in Germany from 1948 to 2001, holds not only historical significance but also a potential for great return on investment. The Deutsche Mark coin, commonly referred to as the DM coin, was introduced after World War II as Germany's new currency. It served as a symbol of the country's economic recovery and stability amidst the devastation of war. Over the years, these coins were minted in various designs, featuring important figures from German history, like Konrad Adenauer and Paul von Hindenburg, as well as various regional emblems and commemorative motifs. What makes the Deutsche Mark coin particularly valuable is its composition. From 1950 to 1974, these coins were made of 62.5% silver, while the remainder was copper. This means that each coin contains around 5 grams of pure silver, making it a desirable item for both collectors and investors who are interested in precious metals. The value of the Deutsche Mark coin is influenced by several factors, including its silver content, rarity, and overall condition. Generally, coins in uncirculated or near mint condition command a higher price due to their pristine appearance. Likewise, coins minted in smaller quantities or featuring unique designs are often more sought after by collectors, driving up their value. To determine the value of a Deutsche Mark coin, collectors and investors often consult price guides or online databases that provide up-to-date information on coin prices. Additionally, it is advisable to work with reputable coin dealers or experts who can offer their insights and expertise in assessing the value of these coins. As of recent years, the price of silver has been steadily rising, making the Deutsche Mark coin an even more attractive investment. The increased demand for precious metals, coupled with the scarcity of these coins, has resulted in a surge in their value. While the monetary value of each coin fluctuates with market conditions, it is not uncommon for a Deutsche Mark coin to sell for several times its face value. It is important to note that investing in the Deutsche Mark coin requires careful consideration and research. As with any investment, there are risks involved, and it is crucial to gather as much information as possible before making a decision. While the potential for profit exists, it is wise to diversify one's investment portfolio and not solely rely on a single asset class. For those who are passionate about numismatics or have an interest in German history, investing in the Deutsche Mark coin can be a rewarding endeavor. Not only does it offer the chance to own a piece of tangible history, but it also provides an opportunity to potentially benefit from the appreciation in value of precious metals. In conclusion, the Deutsche Mark coin stands as a captivating investment option for those seeking to explore the world of precious metals. Its historical significance, silver content, and scarcity combine to create a valuable and tangible asset. However, individuals looking to invest in these coins should conduct thorough research and seek the guidance of professionals to ensure a sound investment strategy. With careful consideration and a little bit of luck, the Deutsche Mark coin can prove to be a great precious metal investment.